But not least, here we are with example 4. We're going to apply what we've learned to a certain situation, and we've been adding and subtracting polynomials. So let's see what's going on here. We've got the profits of two different manufacturing plants that are being modeled this way. We've got the Eastern plant, whose profit is modeled as negative 0.03x squared plus 25x minus 1500, and the Southern plant, its profits are calculated by negative 0.02x squared plus 21x minus 1700. X is the number of units produced at each plant. So we're going to write a polynomial that represents the difference of the profits at the Eastern plant and the profits at the Southern plant. So in other words, they want us to take the Eastern plant and subtract the Southern plant from it. That's what they want us to do. That's what the difference means. So they tell you in the problem using some mathanese to help you understand, what do I do with these two polynomials? And this is what we do with it. So you just pick your strategy. If you're a horizontal person, do your horizontal method. If you're a vertical person, use your vertical method. And you are going to take them and subtract them. So I'm going to write out, here's the Eastern plant right here. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract from it the Southern plant. So they're pretty similar right here. Not too much different, as you can see. All right. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's start with the first column where our x squared terms are. We've got them all stacked. The x squareds are on top of each other, the x's are on top of each other, and the constant numbers are on top of each other. We need to subtract, and we need to be careful as we do this subtraction. So they're asking us to take negative 0.03 and subtract from it negative 0.02. Now, I'm sorry, it's coming out pretty blobby. I don't know what's wrong with my board right now. I'm going to have to just pop it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so, you know, as you're talking it out or you're putting it in your calculator, just be careful how you're keying it. Negative 0.03 minus a negative is the same thing as plus a positive. So negative 0.03 plus positive 0.02 is negative 0.01. Okay? Now we get to do 25 minus 21. Well, that's 4, positive 4. And then we get to do negative 1500 minus a negative 1700. Remember, minus a negative is plus a positive, and so it's really negative 1500 plus 1700, which is 200, positive. And that's the difference between the profits right there. Now we're going to use the same information above, and we're going to find the total profits from both plants. When they say find the total profits from both plants, they're not asking for the difference this time. They're asking for the sum. So this is going to be your extra credit problem. Take the same polynomials and find the sum, and you will find the total profits for both plants. All right, bring your questions to class, and thank you for listening.